If you're a regular on this channel, you know I normally say to use 303 automotive protectant. It's the exact same product as 303 aerospace protectant, and it's usually cheaper, but the 1 gallon jug of aerospace on sale brings the cost down to around 50 cents an ounce, which is going to be considerably cheaper than the automotive. This is the UV protectant I use exclusively on my seals, tires, trim, and truck. It's water-based and it doesn't leave a greasy film. Tons of uses for this protectant on your RV. What's going on, everyone? Today's video is going to be short and sweet. My goal with these videos is to quickly show you some of the more common RV accessories on sale so you can save a little bit of time and pick up what you need while it's a little bit cheaper. I will, however, put a link to each product in the order it's covered down in the description, so finding the price involves literally one click. So today I'm going to give you links for items on sale at Amazon, then eTrailer, and then Walmart. Oh, and also Electric Bikes is still running their holiday sale through the end of November, so I'll put a link to that down below as well. Noco has a bunch of their lithium jump starters on sale. This is the only brand jump starter I use. They are safe starters with reverse polarity protection. They can be used as a 12-volt power bank. They have tactical grade flashlights built in and charge with a USB cable. The jump starter you need will depend on your tow vehicle's engine size. This is easy to find. They post the engine size at the top of each listing. Match that up to your truck and you're good to go. Best Choice Products has a couple items worth mentioning on sale. First are their popular gravity chairs, and there are tons of colors available. They also have an 8-foot table with folding legs if you prefer your own picnic table or just need more room than your outdoor kitchen provides. Bluetti has 2 of their portable power stations on the list. First is the AC200PL. This is lithium iron phosphate. It's a 2300 watt-hour solar generator, which is also expandable to 8400 watt-hours. They're also listing their EB70S 716 watt-hour solar generator. Our friends at Camco have a lot of RV accessories on sale for Black Friday. First, the Sidewinder sewer hose supports. I have used these for years to keep our sewer hoses going downhill. Also discounted is the Rhino sewer hose support, which might be a better option if you park on rough terrain. If you need a new hose, you can pick up the 25 or 50-foot EvoFlex 2 collapsible drinking water safe hose. These are nice because they're collapsible, so they don't take up a lot of storage room. The yellow fasten leveling blocks can be used to level your RV under the tires, and they can also be used under stabilizer jacks and tongue jacks to limit the post travel, which helps stabilize the RV. If you have a 30 amp RV, you should probably have a 50 amp dog bone, also on sale, and this will allow you to plug your 30 amp camper into a 50 amp pedestal plug if you find yourself having to stay at a site without 30 amp service. The sales we're covering today run at least from Black Friday through Cyber Monday, but some of these sales extend past Cyber Monday. So if you're seeing this video late, check the link anyway, it still might be on sale. Okay, DeWalt tools this year. A very nice 142-piece mechanics set, 1/4-inch and 3/8-inch drives, standard and metric, lots of gear in a small package that won't take up a lot of storage room. We've got the drill and 1/4-inch impact driver combo, comes with 2 batteries and a charger. Honestly, I should have waited because I paid over $100 for the drill itself with only 1 battery, so this is a pretty good deal. You can also pick up just the 1/4-inch driver if you don't need the drill, that's also on sale. Or if you want a 1/2-inch impact drive for the lug nuts, that's reduced too. But this sale is for the tool only. You will need to pick up a battery if you don't already have one. And if you just want to buy a bunch of new tools, the 20V Max 10 tool combo kit is discounted as well. If you prefer Jackery over Bluetti, they also have a few items on sale. You can pick up the Jackery Explorer 1000. It's a lithium iron phosphate power station rated at 1070 watt-hours with a 100 watt USB output. Also, the Jackery Explorer 300 lithium battery rated at 293 watt-hours, and this one comes with a 100 watt portable solar panel. The Time8 4 sensor and 6 sensor tire pressure monitoring systems are reduced for the Black Friday sale. Now, I've never used this kit. Reviews aren't the best. Let's call it what it is. It's definitely a budget system if you want to have at least something. If you lost a sewer hose pipe cap on the road or just want to have a backup in case you do, Volterra has reduced their 3-inch bayonet cap. Okay, I know many of you shop on eTrailer or like to shop anywhere other than Amazon, so I'm going to put a link down below that will take you directly to the Black Friday, Cyber Monday sales that eTrailer is currently having. Now, some of these sales will extend past Cyber Monday, so if you're seeing something on the eTrailer deals page that I linked to, it's currently an active sale, regardless of when you're seeing this video. Now, Walmart's sale search is not as advanced as Amazon. I was able, however, to generate a link that will take you to only RV accessories on Walmart. Plus, it will show the price in green for each product if it's on sale. I always send a spreadsheet with clickable links to everyone who's on our newsletter. So if you want to get these lists emailed to you in the future without having to find these videos, I will put a link on the screen right now where you can join that newsletter. That's going to wrap it up for today. All links are down in the video description and the first pinned comment. Thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you soon.